legenders. In this video we're going to paint a tiger made by Tamiya with winter camo. So I start with spraying the German grey color. I use enamel colors and my airbrush is Fengda BD 130 with 0.3mm nozzle. So if you're asking why I choose a winter camo but not like other winter camos with a scratch color, but I make it with masking tape and with like sharp edges, you know, but you will see in the video. I inspired the camouflage by the movie T-44, which has appeared Panzer III with that camouflage with sharp edges, you know. And now I spraying some highlights with a lighter color, and now I putting the masking tape on the whole tank and of course same on the turret. And now I spray the white enamel color on the turret. And now I start spraying the upper hull with the white color, and I really pleased with the result. I am blown away with the result because this was I think my best tank and camouflage ever. So it will be cool, I promise. Now I start ripping off the tape and see what I've done. It looks amazing, I must say. If you're asking why the video doesn't have like 5 minutes, because I don't record the weathering, but here you can see the finished paint camouflage. Thank you for watching and see you next time.